Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show guys lock screen sound setting in your Realme phone. And guys what is lock screen sound guys? First of all guys let me tell you. So guys, when you off your phone guys, so as you can see this tap sound means guys this sound. And guys when you open your phone, so as you can see guys this little sound. And guys you don't like this screen lock sound guys, screen locking sound, so as you can off in your Realme phone. And guys how can you off it guys? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to off this sound, then guys you can see this type of setting. Then guys you can see guys your sound and vibration, so guys tap here. And guys again scroll it, and guys you can see guys your haptic and tunes, so guys tap here. And guys you can see guys lock screen sound setting, and guys right side guys you can see this icon, so you will have to click here to off it. So as your lock screen sound guys, when you will off your phone, so as your lock screen sound will not work in your Realme phone. So friends, your lock screen sound will not work in your Realme phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to off it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye.